being against what Israel is doing, being against military occupation, being against injustice, being against ethnically cleansing an entire ummah from their country and their homes, exiling them, treating them as second-class citizens from checkpoint to checkpoint, no access to medicine, water and food. This has nothing to do with Jewishness. Being against Zionism is not the same as being against Jews.
Yeah.
There are many Jewish people that are against all of this as well. You don't need to be a Muslim. You don't need to be Jewish to understand justice and right and wrong. So absolutely not. And we don't ever call, in fact, we warn against putting all Jewish people into one basket, right? Allah did not do that. Some are good and some are bad. Some do wrong and some do right. And the same thing goes for us. So take an entire community and discriminating against them, take an entire community and showing hatred against them, we are against that. We don't believe that you're allowed to be anti-Semitic or anti-Jewish, and we welcome them with open arms, and we say to them, let's stand together against injustice, wherever it may be. So I think that's how the Muslims should look at it as well, and never fall into injustice by putting an entire group and seeing them one way. This is what we are warning against, not what we are calling for, and Allah knows best.